how much should you actually spend on outdoor motion sensor light bulbs? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Sengold Motion Sensor Light Bulb. Let's kick things off with the Sengold Motion Sensor Light Bulbs. Priced at just $11.64, what caught my attention here was its impressive 800 lumens brightness and energy-saving features. If you want reliable motion-activated lighting for your porch or garage, this is worth a serious look. This bulb features a peer motion sensor that detects movement up to 30 feet away in the dark. That means if someone walks up to your door at night, you'll know about it right away. It only uses 8.8 watts, saving you up to 85% on your energy costs. With a lifespan of 15,000 hours, you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It not only provides safety, but also convenience by lighting up your paths when you need it most. Now, some people complained about the need for the sensor to face downward without being blocked, which can be a bit frustrating during installation. But here's the thing, once it's set up correctly, it performs exceptionally well. If you can manage the installation, you'll really appreciate the hands-free lighting. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly solution for outdoor lighting. Skip this one if you want something that works in tightly enclosed fixtures. For the price, it offers great value for money. Product number 2, TORCHSTAR Dusk to Dawn Bulbs. Now, if the Sengold's installation quirks bothered you, the TORCHSTAR Dusk to Dawn light bulbs might catch your eye. At $13.99, these bulbs come with a high rating of 4.7 stars and are designed to automatically turn on at night and off during the day. What's great about these bulbs is their sensitive dusk to dawn sensor. This means you won't have to worry about them misfiring due to nearby light sources, keeping your outdoor area consistently illuminated. They pump out 800 lumens, enough brightness to ensure you can navigate your space safely at night. Plus, they're UL listed and come with a 3-year guarantee, giving you peace of mind if anything goes wrong. Here's why this matters for you. It simplifies your life by eliminating the hassle of manual controls. Some users mention that these bulbs can be overly sensitive, turning on during cloudy days. But honestly, I think that's a minor trade-off for reliable nighttime illumination. If you don't mind a little extra light during the day, these are definitely worth considering. This is great for you if you want a reliable outdoor lighting solution without manual switches. Skip this if you're in a location with lots of bright daytime lights. For the value, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, Amazon Basics Dusk to Dawn Bulbs. Next up is the Amazon Basics A19 Dusk to Dawn Sensor LED Bulbs, retailing for a wallet-friendly $6.21. You know, what surprised me the most was the number of positive reviews, 25,200 of them. These bulbs are designed to automatically light up at night, making them super convenient for outdoor use. With a 9-watt power consumption but a 60-watt equivalent brightness, you'll save on your electricity bills while enjoying a warm ambience. They have a lifespan of around 10,000 hours, which is pretty decent. Here's why this matters for you. You get reliable lighting without the stress of frequent replacements or high energy costs. However, a few users did mention that they aren't dimmable, which can be a downside if you're looking for adjustable lighting. But here's the thing, if you want straightforward, reliable lighting without the frills, this bulb does its job well. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable solution for your porch or garage lighting. Skip it if you want dimmable options. For the price, it's hard to beat. Product number 4, GEP LED Dusk to Dawn Bulbs. If you like the Amazon Basics but want something brighter, let's check out the GEP LED Dusk to Dawn Light Bulbs. Priced at $8.49, these bulbs deliver an impressive 1100 lumens. One of the standout features is their ultra-high brightness, which is equivalent to a 75-watt bulb. This is especially important for illuminating darker areas like driveways or backyards. No more stumbling in the dark. Here's why this matters. It enhances safety and convenience, giving you peace of mind when you're outside at night. Now, some people found that they needed to be cautious about where these bulbs were installed due to the brightness. Here's the thing though, if you want to light up large areas, that's actually a benefit, not a flaw. Just be mindful of where you place them. This is a great choice if you need high brightness for larger outdoor areas. Skip this if you prefer softer, lower intensity lighting. Given their price and performance, they provide good value. Product number 5, GE LED Plus Motion Sensor Bulbs. Finally, we have the GE LED Plus Motion Sensor light bulbs priced at $27.53. I'll be real with you, this one feels like the premium choice on this list. These bulbs are all about security with a strong motion sensor that detects movement up to 24 feet away. They're designed for outdoor use, so you won't be left in the dark fumbling for a switch. Plus, they use only 15 watts while providing the equivalent brightness of a 90-watt bulb. Here's why this matters. Not only do they save on energy costs, but they also enhance your home security by lighting up whenever someone approaches. However, some users noted the price is higher than other options. But honestly, if you're looking for durability and performance, it can be worth it. The quality is backed by GE, which is a trusted name in lighting. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free outdoor lighting solution that focuses on security. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. In terms of performance, it's a solid investment. So to wrap it up, we've covered a range of outdoor motion sensor light bulbs. From the budget-friendly Sengold to the premium GE LED Plus, there's something for everyone. Each offers unique features and benefits, whether you need simplicity, brightness, or enhanced security. Take your pick based on what matters most to you, and you'll be set for brighter, safer outdoor spaces.